In this video, we're going to look at the actual planting of the bonsai tree. So we have our pot, our hook and sieves already fitted, a little bit of bag of soil, and also our bonsai tree. This is a beautiful deciduous acacia tree, native to South Africa. And first, before we take out the tree, we want to look at and discover a nice profile. So give it a turn, see where the tree looks more attractive to you, and that's going to be your front profile. If you want to, and you have a potter wheel or a bonsai wheel, you can put it on top. Horizontally, you can just turn it and look at it. As you turn your tree, you can try and maybe think about what you want to do with your roll of wires. Maybe this portfolio with this beautiful stem, and maybe bend down that branch to create a beautiful foliage. Let's get started. I want to open my bag of soil, supplied with a beautiful Ziploc bag. After you use and there's some excess soil, you can just close it up, put it away for your next planting. Just want to put it inside on the bottom, roughly the volume of the first segment of my index finger. Maybe you can see there. Don't press it down, keep it nice and free. Just put in some more. This is for your little baby roots to just grow down. This bonsai tree has been recently planted over in this container, so the soil is still loose. If you want to, just press on the sides, loosen the hardness of the soil, and tap it at the bottom. So sorry, I went out of view there. So press and tap. Most of the topsoil became loose. Grab your tree. Turn it upside down. Gently take off the pot. You'll see the beautiful roots system here. We don't want to damage these little roots. Gently just put your bonsai into the pot. Stretch open some of the roots. And put it on where you want your portfolio of the tree. That's going to be your main focus. You can put it off center, in the center. Me personally, in a rectangle pot, don't like it in the center. That's more for a round pot. But if you like it in center, you can put it in the center. I'm going to put it off center because this left side branch can make a beautiful a cloud or create a beautiful canopy over the left side of the pot, over that cavity. I'm not going to press down on the soil. I'm just going to start filling it up. Put it on the top. Put it inside its little soil blanket. So now what you want to have with you is maybe a stick. I've got a stick here. You can use some Chinese chopsticks. Now just press down through the soil into the root system, allowing so that most of that soil can go into the air pockets. Tap at the side of the pot so that you can loosen some of the soil. What you can do, just gently press down with your thumb now. Gently press down. You can see that most of the soil you already put through the roots. Fill it up again a little bit. Remember to always, while you put your soil up, leave at least a centimeter, half a centimeter from the brim of the pot to the surface of the soil, because at a later stage we're going to put in our gravel, and we don't want our gravel spilling out when we water. Again, gently press down, not too hard, don't damage some of the roots. And now our tree has been planted. It looks quite cool. If you have a little stone or some figure that can decorate the piece, you can more than welcome to put it in that empty space or cavity. I've got a beautiful stone here. Gives it that extra something.